Hey everyone, so as a part of home automation using Alexa, today we are going to review the components which I have ordered recently. Okay, so let's do the unboxing of the component. So this is a package. I bought it from the local electronics shop. Okay. I will open one by one. Okay, we'll see what are the components we have received. Okay, I'm keeping all this aside. So let's check the components one by one. Okay, so this is the green LED. I have ordered the quantity as 40. Okay, this is for the relay status. Okay, and these are the relays. Okay, which I have ordered. I think quantity is not 44. I think they have the limited quantity, so there should be whatever they had. Okay. This is a 2-pin connector. Okay. This quantity is 5. This is for our AC supply. Okay, this is our development board ESP32. I have ordered 5 quantity, and I think they have delivered me the 5. These are the terminal connector. This is the female version of it. Okay. And this is our 1 kilo ohm resistor, 1/4 watt. I hope so. Yeah. The quantity is 30. And this is our 180 ohm 1/4 watt resistor. This is for our LEDs. Okay, this is the male version of our terminal block connector. Okay, this will simply plug with this. I think quantity is 40. Okay, this are the AC supply converter. The rating is 5 volt 4 amps. The input supply is somewhere between 100 and 240, where the quantity is 5. Okay, these are the female burst connector. So basically we will plug our ESP module on top of it. Okay, this is our spacer. Okay, basically we will use 4 spacer per PCB just to maintain the height. Okay, while installing our hardware on home. Okay, this is again terminal connector. It's a 2-pin only. This is the female version. Okay, these are the transistor BC547. Quantity is 38. Okay, this is the momentary switch. Okay, it's a push button, so this I will be using it for reset purpose. Okay, this is the some screw which we will be using with this. Okay, this is our opto coupler. The ordered quantity is 32. Okay, And this is our varistor. I have ordered total 6. Okay, so I think these are our electronics component. I think quality is quite good. So now let's go with the bill of material one by one, like what are the things we need and what are the things we have. Okay, so basically we are using 30 amps relay. Okay, per board we are using 8, and transistor BC547. This is also we are using 8. This is our module I-Link. Okay, this one. And we have up to isolator ICs, which is here. We have ESP32. Total quantity is 5. Okay, and we have 3 mm diffused LED. It should be somewhere here. And we have a couple of terminal connectors, male and female. Momentary switch is also there, and female burst connector is also present. And we have a ready-made connector. Please note that this is the thing which I have ordered previously, so I already have in stock. So as a part of this shipment, I have not ordered it. We have a couple of resistors. This diode is also I have in stock. Okay, we have a jumper cable and this resistor, and this spacer also. This the PCB cost is your 821. Okay, this includes your manufacturing cost, shipping cost, and customs clearance. So if you see this overall component price is somewhere your 2618. Okay, this is the list of the the number of quantity of the material, and these are the unit price, and this is your total price. Okay, so in the next video we are going to solder each of these components in our PCB, and we'll do some basic testing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.